Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to give you a single digital design challenge, and this challenge is related to design of a edge detector. This video is going to be a small video session. So now without wasting much time, let us get started and see the challenge. Friends, the challenge is on your screen where you have to design an edge detector. Let me explain its behavior with the help of a waveform. So the edge detector will have two inputs, clock and input IP. Whenever there will be any edge, positive edge or negative edge on this input signal IP, your output of edge detector should be one cycle pulse. That will show that we have detected the positive edge. Similarly, here when there is a negative edge, on the output there should be single clock cycle of pulse. This is the behavior of this edge detector. Now you can pause my video here. Try to think of its answer. If something comes to your mind, please write it down in the comment section. Otherwise, I'm going to reveal its answer. Friends, whenever someone asks you to design an edge detector, so the first thing that you have to do is you delay this input by one clock cycle with the help of one D flip-flop. So I put one D flip-flop and this input is delayed by one clock cycle. Then you need to analyze the behavior of IP underscore FF and output. So how you can analyze this behavior? You need to form a truth table. See, when IP and IP underscore FF both are 0, output is 0. Now other case, when IP is 0, IP underscore FF is 1. IP is 0, IP underscore FF is 1, output is 1. When IP is 1, IP underscore FF is 0. IP is 1, IP underscore FF is 0, output is 1. When IP and IP underscore FF both are 1, output is 0. So this clearly shows that this is a implementation of a XOR gate. If you put XOR gate between IP and IP underscore FF, you will get your output. Let me show you with the help of logic diagram. This is the D flip-flop which I am using to delay this input, and output of this D flip-flop is IP underscore FF. So IP and IP underscore FF I am feeding to XOR gate to get my final output. Friends, I hope that the design of edge detector is clear to you, and in the upcoming videos we will design positive edge detector and negative edge detector. And once those videos are prepared, I will share its link in the description section as well as in the I-bar section. You can go through it. And with this, I am going to end this video session. I hope that this would be quite informative for all of you. If you also like this video, please press the like button and you can share your feedback in the comment section. And in future also, we are going to create many such videos. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and your time.